Welcome back to Who is ML, the channel where we demystify the world of AI and make it super fun. Today we're diving into a mind-blowing technique that'll unleash the creative power of AI in a whole new way. Imagine being able to create stunning images with just a few clicks. If you've ever been frustrated by the limitations of traditional image editing, then this video is your ultimate solution. So, what's the secret sauce? It's called Dragon, short for Generative Adversarial Network. It's like a battle between a creative generator and a discerning discriminator. Together, they can produce amazing images. Forget about adding random noise and learning to reverse it. Dragon takes a different approach, and we're here to explore it. Plus, we'll dive into some awesome tools like StyleGAN and GANSpace that you might already be familiar with. But here's the exciting news. Dragon has finally released its code, and we're going to show you how to get started. Whether you're rocking a Linux PC with an NVIDIA card or you're on macOS, Collab, Docker, or even Windows, we've got you covered. No more feeling left out because of your operating system. All right, let's get down to business. The installation is a breeze, my friends. Just follow 4 simple commands in your Anaconda prompt, and you'll be up and running. We'll provide all the links and instructions in the video description, so don't worry about taking notes. Oh, before we proceed, make sure you have a pickle. No, not the edible kind. Rather, a pickle file from your StyleGAN 3 model. Don't worry if you haven't trained your own model. You can also download pre-trained models. We've got options for everyone. If you're loving this mind-blowing AI content and want to see more, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends who are into AI geekery. Together, we'll rock the AI world. Now let's fire up the GUI and get ready for some serious image creation magic. The GUI is super user-friendly, and you can select your pickle file, choose a seed, and adjust step size with ease. You can even set masks to control specific areas of your image. Trust me, it's a breeze to use. But hold on to your hats because it gets even cooler. You can add multiple points, defining the start and destination of your image transformation journey. It's like creating a visual story. And hey, don't worry if things get a little crazy. We can always hit the reset button. All right, let's talk about the entangled nature of image features. When you change one aspect, other aspects might change too. It's like a complex dance of visual elements. We'll explore how different transformations affect the image and sometimes produce unexpected results. Get ready for a wild ride. And speaking of wild rides, we can also create some truly cursed images. Imagine moving a nose down to the chin or making eyes merge together. It's both fascinating and a bit spooky. But hey, that's part of the fun. Just remember to enjoy responsibly and create responsibly, my friends. All right, we're almost at the end of this roller coaster ride, but before we wrap up, let's not forget to check out the next video from Who is ML. They always bring the coolest content, so give them a shout out and show some love. And that's a wrap for today's episode of Who is ML. We've unveiled the incredible Dragon technique, explored its installation process, and witnessed the power of image transformations. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more mind-expanding AI adventures. Remember, curiosity is your superpower. See you next time.